Goose Junior. Goose Junior.
What is what is the horsey say? What does the horsey say?
Nay.
No, Rory, Ellie. What does the horsey say? Nay. What does the froggy say? What does the froggy say? Ribbit. Ribbit. How about the cow? How about what does the cow say? What does the cow say? Can you say moo? Can you moo like the cow? Moo. How about, what else do we know? How about the kitty cat? The kitty cat says meow. Can you say meow?
Meow.
How about the duck? Duck. Good job. What does the duck say? Does the duck say quack, quack, quack? Quack. How about the puppy dog? The puppy dog? Puppy dog says ruff, ruff, ruff. Can you say ruff, ruff, ruff?
Can you say Aunt Kelly?
Kelly? Can you say auntie? Auntie Kelly?
What does Auntie Kelly say?
Can you say hola? Can you say hola?
That means hello.
Adios.
Bye bye. It's time to go.
Can you say hola?